Today, we're going to show you how to change the battery on your GMC Terrain Key FOB. This is going to work with GMC Terrain vehicles 2010 through 2021. So the easiest way to do this is you want to be on the side with the key, you flip the key out, and then you can see on the back here, this cover is two parts. This bottom part is the one you want to remove. Sometimes if you hold the key down here, you'll be able to just flip it up with your finger and then get access to the battery. And so now we could change that battery right there. So you just flip right here and then you've got access to the battery. Now this is going to require a CR 2032. We've got a replacement right here, and we've got links to those below as well if you want to pick one of those up. So check that out. And then once you've got the battery compartment open, all you're going to do is like put a small screwdriver or something in that side where you've got this little indentation, and then you can change your battery. We take our new battery, we're going to slide it down. There's a little hump down here at the bottom that holds it in. You slide it into that, press it into place, and now all we're going to do is take our cover. We're going to get it lined up, and then you pretty much can just snap it into place and it will be all set. So that is how you change the battery on your GMC Terrain Key FOB. This will work for GMC Terrain 2010, 2011, 2021, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 and 2021. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us that thumbs up. And if you want to support us, click that link below to get the batteries. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.